Hi, my name is Heber. I'm 29 years old and I'm here at the Smile Hair Clinic to get my second hair transplant. It was very, very good. It was a great experience. As you can see, I got a hair transplant here in the front area. And for my second one, it's gonna be in the back, in the crown area. And yeah, it was a great experience. And it really works, the hair transplant procedure. And that's why I'm getting the second one.
You had a neurotype 5 to neurotype 6 of the hair loss, meaning that the hair loss in the front area, mid-scalp, and the crown areas. And with the first surgery, we were able to get from you 3,800 grafts. They were distributed in the front and the mid-scalp areas. And with the second surgery, we are planning to cover the crown area. We call it the classic two-step surgery. There are 2 points regarding your hair. One point is that you have a curly hair. It's slightly more challenging to do the extraction for this type of the hair. But the other point is that the curly hair has got a better coverage capacity to its point that it calls or turns around itself, okay? So its ability to give you an outlook of the hair is in a much better condition. So if the result you can grab with around 4,000, 5,000 grafts with my hair type, and the result you will get with the 3,500 grafts with your hair type is almost identical.
Yeah, no pain whatsoever. It was all seamless. The anesthesia, they use anesthesia, and that helps reduce the pain a lot. So no pain at all that I experienced. I feel wonderful. It's definitely life-changing. And if any of you experience hair loss and you tried everything you can and you have low self-esteem issues, it affects your mental health, because that's what hair loss can do. It affects you a lot, and I take it for granted. The hair that we have, it's something to really cherish. So if you feel in your heart that you want a hair transplant, I definitely recommend Smile Hair Clinic. They were completely amazed, like, oh my God, your hair looks so good, it's fully grown. And I'm like, yeah, I got a hair transplant. That's what happened. And the reactions, it was all great. It was wonderful. And yeah, it was good. Yeah, definitely. Like I said, if you feel that it's something that you need, and you tried all the products that you can, like, minoxidil and finasteride, and if nothing works for you for any reason, maybe give a hair transplant a shot and see if it's the best option for you, because it changed my life, and it can change yours for the best.